Hi everybody, it's Londy from Londy Love Creations. Happy New Year to you all and welcome to 2026. So something new for me, 2026, I have created a YouTube channel, Londy Love Creations, and here I hope to share with you tips and tricks and hints to help you with your projects, and I will also do some sewing up of some projects to show you how I do them. So go subscribe and we'll get started with that. Now, as you know, I have been cleaning, having a big deep cleanse of my sewing rooms, which I have now completed. So I thought I'd take you on a little tour. So give me a minute, turn the camera around and we'll get going. Okay, so this is the first room. So this is the preparation room, if you like. So as you can see, I've got my cutting table and ironing station there. I have wardrobes that do have supplies in them. That's where I store my vinyl, and I've got sewing patterns in there. I have on these cubes here, I've got hardware, bow dies for bow making. I've got vinyl. I've got vinyl for hair bow making, cricket supplies, some scrapbooking supplies. On the top you can see my cricket maker, my Big Shot, and my cam presses. Down in the little black caddy is all my zipper pulls. I have a cricket trolley which has the ironing press on it, and then my heat presses, my cricket heat presses. Those drawers there are more bag hardware, and then I have my laptop and my printer. So the room's not overly big, but it's a great size for what I need to do here. Now, as you can see on my cutting table, I've got more stuff there. Down on the end on the right, I have my rulers, my dustpan and brush, and the end on the left I have my cricket mats. So they're just hanging down there. Now I've also got some storage space under the desk. So I have in the little orange storage containers on the right, I've got cam snaps, I've got glue gun, I've got dies for the cam presses, and then behind that I've got like spare irons and a lamp and things like that. My drawer is full of scissors, rotary cutters, clips, pattern weights, all those sorts of things. So I'm really happy with this. The desk is totally movable around the whole room, so I can move it away from the wardrobe and access the wardrobe if I need to, and just move it around in the room wherever I need it. So next I will take you to the sewing room where all the magic happens. So this is the sewing room. So it's a bigger room. So I have my industrial cylinder arm, and the little cube storage there has got little storage boxes in it. So the box poking out this side is the threads for the cylinder arm machine, and I've got work in progress on top. That is my embroidery machine, stabilizers underneath, and the storage units on this side have got the embroidery threads. Over here, that is my other single needle Memory Craft 11,000 embroidery machine, my Resant thread. I have an overlocker under that cover there, and down in the cubes I've got more fabrics. They're all varied bases. So I have in the corner stabilizers. So I've got Decaville, I've got interfacings, I've got I think there's some tracing paper in there. I've got foam, wadding. In the corner is the cover stitch machine. That's my HD9 semi-industrial. And then over this side is the Brother Domestic. Now underneath here, there's a black crate. The bag on top needs a little bit of repair. It's a board game bag and it got too heavy for the handles and it pulled the strap out, but I'll fix that up. And in the black box are all my unfinished projects. So that's on my to-do list to start the year off. And then down the end, I have a bookshelf. So I've got music, I've got stationery items, folders, what are they called? A4 clear plastic sleeves, laminating pouches, some patterns, sticky tape, and then in my wardrobe over here, as you can see, I've got a 3-door wardrobe. So it's a little bit messy, but it's tidy. So I'll open it up and we can have a look in here. Okay, so first thing you can see is all my zipper tape. So a lot of zipper tape in there. Then I have all my vinyls. So the top shelf there are panels and a couple of bag kits. And then that first top shelf of vinyls, they're all from Beautiful Faux Leather and Vinyl here in Brisbane. Then other assorted vinyls down below them. In behind the vinyls on the left, I have more fabrics. Behind the zipper tape is more fabric, and that little white bin is full of jelly vinyl. Behind the zipper tape, there's containers with ribbon, velcros, embellishments, bias binding, lace, those sorts of things. So I'll just close this door up and show you the other door. Now the other door, so I've got my tapes, machine oil, spray adhesive. In the drawers are fat quarters, cottons, elastics, that sort of thing. And then down further is more fabrics. But everything is sort of more easily accessible to me now. So that is the sewing room where all the crafting comes to life. So very happy with the progress I've made in my deep cleanse. I have thoroughly gone through both of these rooms, everything I have. I created a huge pile to have a de-stash. I have actually got a de-stash market on this Sunday. So those of you who live on the north side of Brisbane, there is a de-stash market this Sunday, the 4th of January from 9 a.m. at the Strathpine Community Centre. So come on down, have a look. You might find something you've been looking for there at bargain basement prices, and it would be great to see you. So thanks so much. I hope you have a happy new year. I hope you enjoyed watching this little tour of my rooms, and stay tuned for more to come on both the Facebook and the YouTube channel. Happy New Year, everyone. Bye.